Okay friends, I'm going to give you a real quick tutorial on something I just figured out myself, and that is how to disable the smart mode on the ST16 controller. When we're in these settings, please pay really close attention to what you're doing, and if nothing else, make yourself some notes on everything as you go along, as far as the prior settings before we change anything, just so you can revert back to factory if need be, if you're not comfortable with it. So without further ado, here we go. Touch your channel settings. You want to hit OK on this screen to exit the flight data telemetry screen. Here we're going to select A02, which is channel 6. That's where your smart mode, angle mode, and return home switch is located, channel 6, A02. Now we want to touch S4. We're going to go to Edit. Position 0 is your smart mode. Simply touch your position 0 until this green dot aligns with 0, and also you will see on these percentage it's at -75 on my controller. I'm going to hold this down until -75% comes to 0%. Additionally, you can drag that green dot and get it close, and then do the last few percentages with your plus or minus button. Okay, we're on 0. Oops, we were on 0. Okay, now we're on position 0, 0%, which is the smart mode position. You have active. You want to touch beside that, and this deactivates that switch. Now, I have tried to just deactivate it without changing these percentages, and smart mode was still functioning. So I don't know exactly what the correlation between the two, but anyway, I find if you put this to 0 from position 0, turn this off to deactivate it or uninitialize it, I guess, perhaps, and then we want to touch save right here, and that's it. Back out of the screen with your return to home, and you can actually right here you can check, and you will see that if I flip this up to safe mode, I should have shown you initially, this final output monitor would go up to the 75 or -75. There's return to home. Your angle mode stays at 0. Safe mode stays at 0. Hence, when you are flying now, if you flip it up to safe mode, it will behave exactly as it does in the angle mode. Absolutely zero difference. There's no longer a safe mode there, but your return to home feature will still function as it did from per factory settings. Be safe with it. I hope this helps out some of you that's really frustrated with the safe or smart mode, and you can always put that back exactly and just reverse process if you find that you're not comfortable with it. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.